Welcome everyone to my new ongoing series. I don't know how long this will last. It's not really like a fun series for you unless there's action, but in this series, we're just kind of walking around chatting, but as we freaking do that, we're gonna have some fun. You may be like, how are you gonna have some fun? And then I'll be like, you'll see. But, guys, just so you know, protect the forests at all costs. Never lose hope. Never fail. Always protect the forests. That's my motto. And also, yeah, that is my motto. And you're amazing if you do that. If you don't do that, then fair enough. But, yeah. I hope you have a good day, everyone. And hello. But, what should I start calling you? The Sparkers, the Sparkiers, the Electrifiers, the Guardians? You decide in the comments. Leave a comment deciding how you would like to be named and stuff like that. I like the Guardians because because even though I don't have magic powers, I like to think of myself as a forest guardian because I'll always protect the forests. Wherever I am, wherever I will be, the forests will be protected. Even if I don't offer the best protection, the forests and the creatures within will be protected, even if they're scared of me. That's my motto. And bye. See ya. Comment down below what I should call y'all.